Hello guys, my name is Tarun Kumar and I'll be the instructor in this video. In this video, we are gonna learn what's comment variable in Python. This video is an captivating video to us. Let's go into the computer screen. Firstly, I recommend you to open the Python project which you have been created in the previous video. Now if I write here print hello world, and if I write another print statement like hello Tarun, so if I run this code now, hello world would be print first and hello Tarun would be print later, because the Python interpreters is, write runs the Python program from up to the bottom. So if I run right hello Tarun upside, I'll press Control Shift and up arrow key to move up and down. Alt Shift up arrow. So if I run this now, hello Tarun will be printed first and hello world would be printed later, because hello world Tarun is in the first line, hello world is in the second line. So if I need some lines of code which should not be printed, I'll write here like no means I'll write this hello world for 10 times. I wrote it for it 10 times, and if I run this code now, hello world will be printed 10 times. But you know what? I don't need this much times of hello world in my console when I print this. But I know that these lines of code would be helpful in the future. So what I'll do, I'll select these lines of code and I'll press control plus forward slash, control plus forward slash. Do you see that pound symbol? Pound symbol means please ignore this line, and the Python interpreter obeys. So we can use the command for any many other ways. Now if I write here print hello Tarun, and if someone doesn't understand what's happening in line number 13, so I will write here a command that this line will execute hello world console. I'll soft wrap this. So you can use command for this way or to remember ourselves. If I created a generative AI model, and to remember me that I had to update this model, I'll write a command by putting a pound symbol and I'll write please update this model in the future. So we can do multiple tasks using a command. So first thing I'll do is I'll uncomment this. So I have it's help I have Python. So that is why I can select this and I can press control plus forward slash. If I doesn't have an ID like Python, it's very difficult to go into the each line starting and putting the pound symbol. So for that, Python has been created a new type of command called multi-line command. What I'll do, I'll write here triple single quotes and I'll delete the last three triple double quotes, and I will write the remaining triple single quotes or the triple double quotes where I have to stop my comment. So from here to here it is converted into an comment. But in this is it converts only one line of code into comment. It's called a single line comment. But here it's converting many lines, so it's called a multi-line comment by using triple double quotes or triple single quotes. So now the next thing I will teach you is how to create a new Python file. I'll click on the here the name of the project, and I'll right click here and click on new and I'll click on Python file. So I'll write here variable. So here variable name file has been created. So if I write here comment that variable in Python. So if I write here a equal to 10. So in your home you have some jars to store groceries or any other materials. So in Python to store data we use an variable. So here a is the jar or box and equal to is an assignment operator and 10 is the value. So now if I print here a, I'll run this file by right clicking here and run variable. um it prints 10 for me because what happened, I didn't wrote here double quote. Do you notice this? I didn't wrote here double quote because if I write here double quotes it and if I run this, a would be printed, not the value of a which is 10. So here if I write here same as hello but I need to print the hello, it gives me a name error that name hello is not defined. So if I write here hello, how the Python thinks that hello is I Python thinks that it is an variable it's present in this file, but hello is not defined. But here a is defined, which is 10, a equal to 10. So now if I run this, a will be printed. So to specifically print something, we use double quotes inside the double quotes and write the sentence or a word. So the next thing is ruling in variable. I'll write uh, rules to name a variable. So here we have some rules to store a, if we should not have a big jar or we should not have a small jar or you had to not have a jar which doesn't has a cap. So and you had to not put wrong names like this jar containing sugar but we wrote salt, this jar containing salt but we wrote sugar. So this is also an error. Like if I write a equal to 10, it's applicable. But I cannot write 1a 1a equal to 10. And but I can write here a1 equal to 10. A1 a1 equal to 10. So is the first rule is we cannot start the variable variable by a number. So the next thing is now if I write here a at the rate a exclamation mark and equal to 10, it's not applicable. So I'll write a at the rate, it's also not applicable. A dollar is not applicable. A this symbol or this or ampersand symbol or star or brackets minus plus, we cannot use this. But here we cannot use these symbols like this, but I cannot use in between also. I cannot use in between the variable also. So the second rule is we cannot use some symbol like exclamation mark at the rate pound at the rate pound dollar ampersand star or brackets etc. So I'll change it to cannot. So next we cannot use a space. Now if I write a space b equal to 10, it's not applicable. But ab is applicable. But if I want to write like state in India and equal to something, the Python interpreter cannot understand what this word means. So if I write a space, it gives an error. What I can use to separate this? So for that, we have a key, dash key. Pressing shift and minus key. I'll show you. You can see this key, this minus key. You should press shift plus minus key to print that. So I'll write in dash India. Now you can understand state in India. So I will write here Tamil Nadu or any state you know. And if I print here state in India, and if I run this code now, then also would be printed. Tamil Nadu also would be printed. So now, I think you have been understood what's an comment and how to use comment in your code and what's a variable and how to name a variable. So that's it for the video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share it to your family and friends, and write a comment to motivate me and to make the next video. So till then, bye bye.